What's good, tech family? Urban Tech Reviews, and today on the channel I'm going to be reviewing the Senzer Sg500 gaming headset. Let's see what they about. Now you can get these on Amazon.com, and the ticket on them, 24 bucks. Oh Lord! They come in 4 different colors. They come in black, white, pink, and gradient. And I went with the black color. Now you can use these with PC, PS5, PS4, Xbox, Nintendo Switch, or any other device that has a 3.5mm port. Some of the features of this headset is that they're a plug-and-play device, so you don't need to download any drivers, you don't need to connect it to Bluetooth, you don't need to do any of that. You just connect your 3.5mm port or jack into any 3.5mm port, and then they're connected. And there's no battery involved with these because they power off of your 3.5mm. They have cushion on the air set. They are adjustable. They have a microphone. They have an adjustable volume button or slider on the side on their aux cord, on the cord. And they also have a mute or a live mic button that's on your cord as well. These also have noise canceling capabilities, and the air cups are labeled with the R and the L, so you know which side these go on. So my final thoughts on the Senzer Sg500 gaming microphone headset is that they're a nice pair of headphones to use for gaming. Are they as high quality as the Pulse Elites or as you know, a high-end gaming headset? No. But will they get the job done? Yeah. These are something that could be used for a child who you're not sure if you want to, you know, spend that bread on an expensive gaming headset, or they could just be a pair that you want to use when you're traveling and just throw it in the bag and just take it with you. You can also use these for music if you want to plug it in to an MP3 player or something like that. Being that most phones nowadays don't have a 3.5mm headphone port, then it's going to be hard to use these with most cell phone devices and things of that nature. And they don't have Bluetooth either, so you won't be able to connect them if you're not using the 3.5mm auto port. Now, as far as the sound quality goes, I will give the sound quality 8 out of 10. The clarity of the audio that you hear from here was good. It was great, actually. I had no problems with the audio quality that you heard. You're able to hear, you know, everything basically using these this headset. When it comes to noise canceling quality, I would give these a 2 out of 10. I don't believe that the noise canceling function is really great on this headset. When I put these on and I'm playing something, I can still hear everything around me. If I'm not playing anything, I can still hear everything around me. So these, as far as noise canceling, I wouldn't say that these will be a great option in that department, but it does have some other features that, you know, could be appealing to most people. When it comes to the design, I will give the design a 6 out of 10. The ear cups are comfortable. They are foamy. You sit on your ear, they don't really cause any type of air fatigue, as well as the band that is cushiony and has a little flex to it, so it doesn't cause head fatigue or anything wearing these for long periods of time. They are adjustable, so you can adjust it a little bit, you know, if you got a bigger size head, or if you got a smaller head, you know, you can make these smaller. The build of it is really nice. I like the plastic. It's a hard type of polymer plastic for the ear cups, and they really seem like they're decent quality to where they won't break if they hit the ground, or, you know, you bang them against the wall or something. The braided 3.5 cable is nice. It's probably about a 6 foot length. I don't know that to be exact, but it seems like it's probably about 6 foot. Real decent length on there, and it's a braided cable, so it's more durable than just a regular silicone cable or rubber cable or whatever that it is. One thing I didn't like about the design was this part right here. It's just for aesthetics. You would think that it's a knob that you can turn, twist, and change volume or do something with it, but you actually can't. So it's just there for aesthetics. It does nothing. You got these little ports right here, which I don't know what they're actually for. I don't know if they're just to vent your headphones while you're wearing them so they don't get hot on your ears. I don't believe music comes out of them, or sound or anything comes out of them, so I really don't know what the purpose of those are. You got the Senzer branding on the top of your earphones or headphones, so that's a decent look. Not really you know, branded all over. It is on each of the ear cups as well. The inside of the ear cups is nice. You don't really have anything that's going to, you know, stick you in your ear, or it's uncomfortable to wear these for long periods of time either. The microphone is adjustable, so you can flip it, you know, that way, or however you want to flip it. So if you want it out the way, you can flip it out the way and stuff like that. So the build quality is solid. I get a build quality what I get a build quality 6 out of 10. When it comes to mic quality, I will give the mic quality a 4 out of 10. It is usable. Is it the best mic quality? Absolutely not. But they are usable. You are able to hear what people are saying, or I mean, people are able to hear what you are saying, but it's just not the best audio experience to the people in your party, or, you know, whatever you're playing. This is not the best experience, you know, using the Switch. So if you want to use these for a Skype call or a Zoom call and on your PC, just know that your audio quality might not be the best when using this microphone. But it's Urban Tech Reviews. If you felt like this review, you got any information, or it was just entertaining to you, let me know by clicking the thumbs up. If you're not subscribed to the channel, you can do that by clicking on my logo on the bottom right hand corner of your screen. If you're not following me on all my social media sites, all that information is in the description. Until next time, Tech Family, stay blessed out there.